Hello, this is IK Tutors, and we're here to help you with a HESI question. All right, so this question says evaluate the expression. All right, and now, so we need to understand what the basis of this question is. They want to test us to see if we know how to use, uh, we know the order of operations in which we have to do a problem. Now, that's based on you need to know the order of operations if you have a problem with more than one math operation involved. For instance, this problem they gave us, it has the addition, so that's add, has a plus sign. It has a 5 next to a bracket, so that's multiplication. Whenever two things are close to each other in algebra is multiplication. It has the brackets themselves. That's considered a math operation. That's parentheses. And then we have the subtractions over there. So that's subtraction. Right. So we have four operations we have to do. And which one should we do first? Well, that's what the order of operations is about. Right. There's a specific order in which we must do the operations. Right. If we do not do it in that order, most likely we get the wrong answer. You might get the right answer, but it's really taking a chance by not doing it in the right order. So to be sure that we're always doing the right order, there's this tool called this acronym called PEMDAS. And what it is, how it works is that each letter represents a math operation. And the order the letter shows up in the word is the order in which you're supposed to do the operation. If we're simplifying or evaluating like this question, we're going to start from the left side and we're going to work our way over to the right. Right. So the first letter is going to be P, right? That's going to be for parenthesis. Next letter is going to be E. That means that the second thing we have to do is exponents. Next letter is M, which means we have to do multiplication and so on. All right. So let's go ahead and practice using this technique to do this question in the correct order of operations. So the first letter in PEMDAS is P, which is parenthesis or bracket. So we have to do what's in a bracket first. So we're going to just write down everything else. We're not going to do anything with it. And then in the brackets is 1 plus 3. So we're going to put that 1 plus 3 is what? It's 4. Right. So that takes care of the parenthesis. Now I'm going to go to the next math operation. It says E for exponents. There is no exponents. We're going to skip over that. So now we go to the next one. M for multiplication. We do see multiplication. Whenever we have two things close together in algebra, it indicates multiplication. That's what we have right here between the 4 and the 5 and the 4. So now we're going to take care of that. So 7, we took care of we took care of the parenthesis here. Now we're taking care of the multiplication. So 7 and then 5 times 4, right? They're both positive. Doesn't give us a positive 20. And then we bring down a minus 9. Now we've taken care of the multiplication, right? The next thing we have to take care of is either addition or subtraction, because actually these two are either or when you get to them, and these two, multiplication division, are either or. Now, what determines which of these two you do when you get to them? The order in which you read them from left to right in your question. For example, we're at addition and subtraction, right? So we look from left to right in our equation. If we see addition, we do that first. If we see subtraction, we do that first. That's why when you get to addition or subtraction, it's either or. And when you get to multiplication division, it's the same deal, either or. Okay, it depends on whatever you come across first, moving from left to right. So moving from left to right, we come across the addition, so we're going to do that first. So we have 7 plus 20 is 27 minus 9. All right, and then the last operation we did, let's see, we got to keep up here. We did multiplication, we did the add, and now we're going to finally do the subtraction. So 27 minus 9 is going to be 18. And voila, this is our answer. So this is the answer you must look out of your multiple choice options for this question. Now, if you have any questions, please write them in the chat. Our staff will be happy to help you with them. If you would rather use the website, that's fine. You can go to the website, and this is the St. Paul School of Nursing HESI support website, right? The link is in the chat. You can go there, you go to the contact us form, and you type your question in there, and then you click submit after you put in your contact information, which is just your email address and your first and last name, and someone will get back to you. So I hope this helped, guys. If it did, please remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Have an amazing day.